That one is gonna be
Here, can you do the math? What? Can you do the math? How much is this? So 5. This is this texture. 8, and then this is 11. How much is that? I don't know. Mommy, no, 5. This is 9. 9 and 11. What is that? 5, 9, and 11.
how much it is?
16 plus 8. 28, I think. Hey guys, we're back with all of our stuff. Okay, wait, let me grab my stuff. Okay, I'll go first. Yeah, Roman, you have to wait, Roman, scoot over, because we're going to go oldest to youngest. Yeah, so I'm the oldest, so you want to go first? We're unboxing. Okay, so I got a Specs, like donut squishy, and it was, $8.99, so like $9. And I went under budget. I got 14. Yeah. My budget was $10 to $15, and I did $14.99. That's how much I spent. Okay, wait. Let's just rip it open because I can't really get the tape. But you can feel it right here, and it's like sugar. And it's supposed to be like green, but it kind of looks yellow. This is really good. I love that. And I've always been wanting this. Okay, then I got this for $1.99. It's like this. I don't know what to call it, but it's really cool. I love it. And then Casey Aaron's Thinking Putty Mini Country Top. I've seen people have this like all the time. And whenever I saw it, I was like, oh. I was like, oh my gosh. So. And it's purple, and it's not rock hard. Okay. So yeah, that's my haul. Sophia's next. Hey guys, I got, let me do it. Okay, I got 2 mixed 3 dumplings, and I'm gonna open that last. And I got this, so let's open this. And this is Crunch and Squish. Yeah, Crunch and Squish. It's like beads in it. Ooh. Wait, we're gonna do dumpling unboxing. No, that's not yours. That's for me last. This is yours. But we're gonna do it if this plate stops. Oh, that's actually so cool. Okay, now let's open this. No, do not open it. We're gonna open it with Emery. Yeah, we're gonna open it with me, so no. So yeah, she got 2 dumplings, different textures. Okay, so I got this keyboard fidget, and then I got Lino. Play with me. And I got this dumpling, and then this has a tiny bit that's fine because these are for mine. And then this keyboard fidget. Like, Garrett? Yeah. It's like so cool. Hey, Roman. Your last? Your turn. Roman, your turn. My turn. Did you show the dumpling you got? Okay, let's go. Mine. I got this frog and this keyboard. Play with it. And show them. No, we have to open it first. You have to go like this. Do that. No, we have to open it. It's fine. Okay, I'll help you. Let's open it. Oh, I think it's a squishy. Is it a squishy? Yeah, it is. That's so good. Okay, take it out. I think it's a. I'm pretty sure it's a slime. And also, you can do this. Oh, don't break it. Okay, now you squish this one. Okay, and this, he can fight with that. Yeah. So cool. Okay, now we're gonna do dumpling unboxing for them. Okay, can I go first? Yeah. So no. Just do it at the same time. Oh, okay. First, we're gonna do this one. We're gonna do. Yeah. Okay. Try not to. Wait. Try. Be careful. Don't look like this. It's fine. Hey ho! Actually, you know what? Hey ho! Just try not to. Hey ho! Okay. Hey ho! Oh, it has to. Wait! Don't do it. Stop, Roman. Hey ho! It might be the golden. To be the option. Don't do it with Emma. Wait, we're gonna say which one we. Don't do it without Emma. I really want the blue. Don't put it in. I want the gold. Wait for Emma. I want the gold or the pink. Wait, I want the gold or the blue. Don't open it. I'm not gonna do it. I want the gold or the pink. Wait, yours is. But mostly I want the gold. Wait, of course. Yeah, of course it's mostly the gold. Stop. Okay, 3. Wait, close your eyes. 3, 2. Oh, it's the white one. That's cool. Oh, that's actually the white one. Oh, look at the face. And let's hope the face doesn't come.
Okay, my turn to open the other one. I really want the gold this time, and I haven't got
I didn't
any
even know
kind
white
of.
was an option.
Me neither. It didn't even show.
Wait, can I see
It was probably
I
like.
think that. Okay, now I'm opening this one,
No, it's gray.
and I want the purple
I know, we don't
or
like
the yellow.
Okay, give me it.
The yellow
No, it's
looks so
fine.
cute.
Fine.
Oh, it has tape.
Oh my gosh. What if it's another white one?
I hope it's not.
I hope it's not. I'll be No, I'm just kidding. I'll be happy whatever I get. It's a dumpling. So.
It's a dumpling. At least it's like a dumpling.
Oh, I already opened it. So. It's blue. Like I like
That's
it.
the water one.
Yeah, it's the water one. Oh my gosh, that was a good haul.
Yeah, that was a pretty
Anyways,
Okay, guys, we're
come here,
so
let's
happy for our stuff.
Yeah,
okay,
we're so
wait,
grateful
let's
and
see,
happy.
Let's see if you guys went over or under. Okay, I went under. Sophia, what did you go?
I want right at the thing.
So like right
$20. I did right.
Okay, and I went under. $16. I had 25. Okay, Roman, did you go over or under?
He went over. Actually, he didn't have a budget, but he was only supposed to spend like $10, and he spent $26.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
Bye.